the get order API. So first you need to install the app. In my case, I already installed the app. So after this, these are all the orders of the DHL that are showing here. So in the action, you need to go to the action, and after this there will be a drop down. You can select any of the order, as well as when you click there, then you can pass the order ID from here. So I'm just going to pass it through the drop down. Let's pass this one, save the action, save there, and in the notes I am passing the order ID and the order amount. So let's save the action and test the workflow. So here test this one, and here run the test. So as you can see, the action is executed successfully, and the notes as well. So let's check out the notes. So here this is the data that is mapped here. So this is how we can use the get order APIs in GHL. Thanks.